Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
You bring now by Uncle Sai, what you doing now? Observe weather. Minim your trip.
Oh, Chairman.
Yes,
me, I'm not harmful.
But I was saying who 3 months.
You with us, with your piece of tea.
Kwame Najitum.
Oh, Kojo is generally.
He says he's not harmful.
No, he just gets passionate. And I know how to handle him when he gets passionate. He's not a very harmful person.
Kojo says he's not harmful.
Chairman,
yes, Kojo.
I'm saying, why are Senka? I'm fine, my yourself, and discussion with.
But you have fun from what's I do.
Debbie, how can we come here and leave? Kasa young farmer yourself and from it's like young background you.
I don't care.
Kwame, and he says it's not harmful.
Oh, na say me can because no
problem.
Kojo to aso.
Yeah.
Be a harmful be answer yes so the same.
The Minister of Education Kasa pese ye program no nyina.
But anyhow.
Oh, so you the comment why you na you can answer.
But I'm trying to comment to be out.
But you say
the comment to be out.
Oh, why you comment pa to say.
But and come in your man about.
It's been widely you can say publicized.
You see, sometimes I want a certain path.
Yeah.
That is why I take out a lot of these things.
No, I agree with
you. So that
you,
we can have a discussion devoid of Niamebi.
You see, that is why our leaders, your leaders also have to exercise a certain discretion whenever they get the opportunity to speak to the public. Because Mami out in the Kasai, GS and free
just better. Yeah.
When in the Kasai, Obakasa the money institutional on Oye Jumama. So on the one by bon come just to like when it comes to vacancy Commander Masoriako. He spoke on behalf of the Free SHS Secretariat addressing an issue very topical.
Yeah.
So when you have the minister also making a statement elsewhere, no worries.
But sometimes it distorts the discussion.
Yeah, because anything I can say, I would have loved not to discuss the political aspect of it. But when the minister himself veers into it and decides that is the point he would dwell, instead of dealing with the issue as he was supposed to. Because we saw the videos on TV. We saw the challenges that people were going through. How does that translate into a political party bashing? You see what Mamena say, Ubisa and Assembly, and the answer she gave, was say by 5:10. Now Obia they had attended to everybody. That everybody, does it include the people who were buzzed from somewhere else? Independence Square. Did they also attend to them?
But she didn't say that.
Oh yeah, but you see, logic.
She says we attended to everybody.
Wonderful.
So she stopped there.
So
now you want me to go into the realm of the minister?
That is why
not distortion are starting. I think I may play safer. I've avoided all of that. Because I need to avoid that. Because you see, I can understand your sentiments.
Right.
I understand your sentiments completely. But share newspaper article now, Daily Graphic, 19 September 1969.
Probably, I would have
50 years ago.
I would have ended up there.
But unfortunately, instead of looking at the issue, what would be the distortions in the number?
Yes.
So I understand your sentiments, but deliberately as a moderator, so that we can discuss the issue. And yes, I will never discuss it.
Kwame, I think you are doing the right thing. But achichia person moja ye frame. Achichia person moja ye frame.
I think I still me in a free hall.
Yes, but person friend moja mudia. Kwame nwanwa pass.
There be on case your friend moja.
Person friend moja.
Untimi dream man.
Because be so beto bona na gina bibi so. Person kwa that tangent.
There be yanko. Yanko minimum ya penny kasa me crop connect free also person oko.
Na utu no fo na kwa am so
ma for me na menya mabusu antokwa. Jira jire ni abusu anko ya de. Ye kan kakaka o free ho. Ah. Osu janya
o free ho amane mram
free ho no no su
onim ntia. On no person admoko be fisa me ye. But me person me iti kojo e kan eboa no because on so no person.
Me yesa obi be ka say o jeje no so ma mram.
Me mom
mram.
Amem. Moya mepon
Kwame pon dia me suma kama no atumba obi beto bo na nurse
moya mepon
Monday ade no to atwa ekoba ne sen
mo setting you man
Kwame abutre Kwame
swaga to aso
kasaye the dia person okro na to
onko be bia en common no di yes swaga
oni common
school sema and they are albatross we that's a assembly what's that thing called it would English so down teach
me teach you crapim ni na betra what's that thing called
Osibua no
yeah wo Canada katwi no assembly ni awo
yeah me too
3 years the MPP for bar power and they gave us the impression say omuni especially when it comes to matters of education
Kwame too fo nyina wonte on
masa osi mi jai minister sama me jai me can be before please listen.
I'm listening.
Here we are 3 years down the line. The very things are we had scaled beyond this point at a certain level in our history. Now you trust a particular stage here can one say wow. And there were plans and policies and did that kwemu nanka ye DHR it would have mitigated against some of these happenings. Ebini saying, sir, your friend say, E-blocks here, I can say ACC. Chairman, E-block he back $1 million equivalent.
$1 million and $1 million cedis.
Sorry, $1 million equivalent.
I say E-block back here about 5 million cedis.
About 5 million thereabout.
Okay.
Ain't he? Say, I can say. You see E-block Bakubia for each district, which was the original plan. Baby, new districts are creative or Ghana have in the last all the new districts are creative. The agenda was that baby, those districts need school and sheda in New like secondary school in New now you allocate E-block no Bakubia for those new districts. It's an example now, Professor Ejekum MI, Adenta, any Kwabinya Dio kind. Kwabinya, a district for a share. Domi Kwabinya, who said then this district as here. Adenta also a district. Madina, Omo was, and I say was share. Madina district. As here, they didn't need a new one. And nobody identified the Kusiho. Iti Yan Shada and Yan Chichano Semi Keke. It was planned and purposed for. Say, Ubia, Wuni, your friend said, secondary war, Umpotemuno, yet the Biba Kusiho Ama. Iti Ubeti, now, he say, I'm for say, baby, because see a whole what. And whatever. To be honest with you, as a secretary at DC schools, a year, Potemu for Dankasa, and a release in Sassino. Or any now, or what that territory, no, or no, and assemblies no echo como, and your Mocasano will release into or no. I'm a Sassy Francis school or baby. Who are you to say, I had the
unfortunately, on so you see school a lot of dynamics go into it.
Right.
And you know, even those who are you know, wow, we use school, so I'm sure so we say accessibility, but ABR out of respect, Obeji. Nature makers and say, Dr. Duchum discussed the same thing, Deputy Education Minister, about these concerns. Say, ABC school, or say, look, or no, as somebody involved in education. The very idea of the E-blocks a fantastic idea. That's the base line for him. Fantastic idea. But some of the challenges are with the E-blocks are distance from the closest baby a car. And I say baby a cluster when you power it be a distance. A be so near real. But on the GDA any discussions on my ministry on say near ombeti me young way do many yano. Ombe 1, ebu ombe wie 2, ebu say instead of the day no, so make me converting into board, make me any BBA. Because as far as he is concerned, yes, there are problems with some of the e-blocks, but it doesn't mean say you're training. That is why Amika said I like the minus politicization of issues, because there is no way Anka Obisa and Obeka Bibisa. But first of all, he praised the projects, then talked about challenges a woman. And choir or say yet overcoming challenges. Instead of constantly referring to it as a waste of money and we are so it will never get us anywhere.
Right. Now the friends say Angelo do so different menene yarding. But you see, Chairman, what happened to buses are you see a better to ama a friend saying schools, you know. What happened to that idea?
I think they were supplied already.
Yes. What happened to those buses?
Yeah, some of them supplied.
Yes. For me, it defeats that argument. Say,
did we supply all the buses?
They supplied the schools that were ready at us of when those buses were, they were given buses. That's what I understand.
Yes, one question. Buses alone don't make a school, I'm sure you know that.
No, I agree with you. But what I'm trying to tell you is that so only the way about designing e-block, the entire project, it comes with an ICT facility, it comes with a library, well stocked, furniture and everything. You only need your teachers and your resource personnel to just go and work. Electricity need to be provided.
But not all of them were done.
Not all of them are. You see, you move step by step.
Exactly.
So if you start with 123, no one says, so when you start 123, now, it will solve your problem for the next 5 years. Okay, like the intake of the next 5 years, would be absorbed by 123, saying, so that by the time pressure do start here building into solve the dana, then the other 70, now say 60, whatever now can, and also about Betwasu. But here we are. All those buildings are sitting in the bushes.
Well, because we're built in the bush. They were built in the bushes. That's why they're there.
That's a funny idea because when we were kids, wouldn't there be an appreciate war?
No room.
You understand? Wouldn't there be an appreciate war?
No room.
Let's do that with other schools, and then on my I say yenya beto crew, and I say crew na anya I've been bang. But most of the schools were far away. Wow. But it will say the way we cheer and the way we say a development kakra and a day omo beba closer.
So it's a good start.
But I say
so it's a good start.
That's right. It is if you have planned and you say a policy and this whole thing the same Ministry of Education and the same GES and say yes I plan the program.
But son is a pre-secondary boarding school there.
Say
pre-secondary boarding school so himself.
A boarding school.
Yeah.
Oh,
no, not to negate anything you're saying, just to add to the discussion.
Right.
They came here as a boarding school.
Right.
It's regardless of distance.
Last year.
Regular commuting was not exactly a problem as it is today.
Last year.
So I like the point the Deputy Minister made, said we could improve some of them by converting them to boarding schools.
But they've been abandoned.
No, not all of them.
They've been abandoned.
Not all of them.
Any work. Please, Pacho, I'm saying this on authority. I also say we want to come into government. And we are as an alternative government in opposition.
None of the e-schools has been used. None of the e-schools has been used. Schools, e-schools, no,
that's not what I'm saying.
So
those ones that were completed, and then those ones that were near completion, we are lights ne the man kitting
and
those it doesn't take anything to finish because Ushano versus the challenge that we are having at Independence Square, which is the opportunity cost.
Well, the challenge has been solved or resolved according to Iranians.
That's how it feels. Do you know what is going to happen next year?
Well, we'll get to
Start
that.
thinking about it.
I hope
next year we are going to have it at one step higher.
I hope they learn their lessons.
Yeah. Next year,
I hope
the SHS aspect will be there.
Yeah.
Have you thought of the university?
I bet Pinso. Let me read this to Atik Mohammed from Professor Yao Jampo, the one we commonly call Ransford Jampo. Tell Atik university education is to provide a kind of universal education that makes the mind critical and receptive to further training and help graduates fit into new responsibilities. I know a bank manager who studied classics and linguistics in the university. University education must be distinguished from vocational and technical education. But I agree with Atik that for us to develop, we must focus more on TVET education, as close to 80% of what brings about development is in that area. Thank you, Yao Jampo, PhD.
I appreciate the point, but I was not comparing technical and vocational education to tertiary education. But second cycle,
Chairman. Sir, when you truncate a policy that you didn't seem to understand from the onset, now by virtue of that, you just now the repercussions are greeting you every year, and that is why we are where we are. And the apology that we even expect from the leadership, we are not getting it. What I say, so far we have not even heard any one of these people. Such none of them has even shown anything. Like I said, none of them. The minister himself, even Lady Yono Kasai, you could tell, sir, she was, brazen to just come and throw out issues and go. Well, meanwhile, people have fainted. People did the hospital near there, and the worst we could say about them is that they faked it and all of that. I think, sir, it is inhumane. Wow. And you push the whole blame on parents, that it is parents who did not coach their children as to parents.
Partly they're responsible.
No, I agree. But the question is, how many of the parents themselves are literate? How many? Okay, to the extent, sir, or computer placements, computer and say, what to do. Please.
Anyway,
the ministry and GS, they
are impractical. So I think, sir,
let me pull the brakes.
Rather than to assume that posture of condescending, like talking down to some I think it's marks of insensitivity to the real situation on the ground.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.